Namaste. My name is Anup. Today I am demonstrating you a small 10-minute sequence of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. I'm not talking too much. Take your mat and stand in front of your mat. Samastitihi. Sun salutation A. Ekam. Inhale. Rise your arms up. Look up. Dve. Exhale. Fold forward as much as possible. Trini. Inhale. Head up. Lengthen your spine. Chatwari. Jump or step back. Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha. Inhale. Upward facing dog. Look up. Shat. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Stay in this position 5 deep breathing. Take deep inhale and very slowly exhale. Apply Ujjaini breath. Stretch your spine and hamstring. Sapta, step or jump forward, lengthen spine. Ashto, exhale, fold forward. Nava, inhale, rise your arms up, look up, and Samastitihi, relax. Now sun salutation B. Egam, inhale, bend your knees, rise your arms up, look up. Dve, exhale, fold forward, head down. Trini, inhale, lengthen your spine, head up. Chatwari, jump or step back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog, look up. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, right leg forward, rise your arms up, look up, warrior 1. Ashto, arms down, right leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, upward facing dog, look up. Dasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Ekadasha, left leg forward, rise your arms up, look up, warrior. Dwadasha, both hands down, left leg back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Trayodasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chadurdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Stay in this position 5 deep breathing. If you know Ujjaini breath, you can apply Ujjaini breathing. Stretch your spine and stretch your hamstring. Deep breath. Panchadasha, step or jump forward, lengthen spine, head up. Shodasha, exhale, fold forward. Saptadasha, inhale, rise your arms up, bend your knees, look up, and Samastitihi, relax. Now we do Padangushtasana. Egam, catch your big toes and lengthen your spine. Inhale and Dve, exhale, fold forward as much as possible. 5 deep breathing. If you know Ujjaini breath, you can apply Ujjaini breath. Deep inhale and slowly exhale. Trini, inhale, head up, lengthen spine, and Samastitihi. Now we do Trikonasana. Legs apart, rise your arms. Ekam, Dve, exhale, bend towards your right leg. Look at your left fingertips. Look up. Stay in this position 5 deep breathing. Look at fingertips, feet grounded. Trini, inhale, up. Sit your leg and Chatwari, fold towards our left side. Look at your right fingertips. 5 deep breathing. Deep inhale, slowly exhale. Up and come back Samastitihi. Now we do Parshvakonasana. Ekam, separate your legs 5 foot distance. Bend your right knee, right palm on the mat, and stretch your left arm. Look at your left palm or look up. 5 deep breathing. Apply Ujjaini breath if you know. Stay there. Trini, inhale up. And Chatwari, switch your leg opposite side. Look at your right fingertips or look up. Feet grounded. Deep inhale and very slowly exhale, come up in Samasthiti, relax. Now we do Utkadasana. Ekam, inhale, arms up, look up. Dve, exhale, fold forward. Trini, inhale, head up, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, jump or step back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shad, exhale, downward facing dog. Utkadasana, step or jump. Feet grounded, bend your knees. Raise your arms up, look up. 5 deep breathing. Ujjaini breath. Deep inhale and slowly exhale. Exhale, fold forward. Now we do one vinyasa. Lengthen your spine. Step or jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Dasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Ekadasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Now jump through or step forward, sit down. Dandasana, lock your knee, flex your feet, lengthen your spine. Long and deep breathing. Next we do Paschimottanasana, Ashto. Hold on your big toe, lengthen spine. Nava, fold forward. If you are very comfortable, then try to touch your chin on your knee. 5 deep breathing. Dasha, come up. Ekadasha, cross your legs. Dwadasha, Chatwari. Trayodasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Next we do Purvottanasana. Jump through or step forward, sit down. Ashto, hip up, look behind you. Deep breathing, focus on your breath. Exhale, down. Nava, cross your legs. Dasha, hip up and step or jump back, Chaturanga. Now we do one more vinyasa. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now jump through or step forward, sit down and lay down. We do Supta Padangusthasana. Prepare. Ashto, right leg up. Hold on your right big toe. Nava, inhale, head up, chest up. Deep breathing. If you are comfortable, try to touch your head on your knee. Dasha, head down. Ekadasha, twist your right leg towards right side and look at your left side. Focus on your breath. Deep breathing. Inhale, leg up, head up, and Chaturdasha, head down. Panchadasha, relax. Next we do opposite. Inhale, left leg up, catch your left toe. Saptadasha, head up, chest up. Stay there, deep breathing. Ashtadasha, head down. Egona Vimshadihi, twist your left leg towards left side and look right side. Deep inhale and very slowly exhale. Vimshadihi, leg up. Ekona Vimshadihi, head up. Dva Vimshadihi, head down. Now Chakrasana, roll back or sit up and cross your legs. Vinyasa, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And jump through or step forward and lay down. Relax on your back. Take deep and long breathing. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Namaste.